Good afternoon, ABR MarketWatch viewers. Let's dive into today's market developments that are painting a vibrant picture for investors. Indian equities soared today, with the BSE Sensex up 0.49% at 81,412 and NSE Nifty 50 advancing by the same margin. The growth was driven primarily by banking sector leaders like HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank following strong quarterly updates over the weekend. Meanwhile, the Indian rupee remains resilient near a record low, holding its ground against the US dollar due to IPO inflows and anticipated central bank support. In bonds, yields dipped slightly as states announced reduced borrowing for Q4 with the 10-year benchmark yield dropping 1 basis point to 6.6014%. The positive sentiment from the equity market is reflected in overnight index swaps and call money rates, which saw a 1 basis point decrease in the 1-year rate at 6.42%, while the 5-year swap rate rose slightly by 1 BP to 5.67%. Speaking of notable performers, Bajaj Finance reached an all-time high today, up 3.36% at 1023 rupees. This growth follows a 20% year-on-year increase in their customer base to 110.64 million and a 24% rise in assets under management to 4,622.5 billion rupees. However, shares of DMart, operated by Avenue Supermarts, dropped 3%, marking its third consecutive day of losses. Despite reporting a 15% year-on-year growth in revenue for the July to September quarter, this figure fell short of brokerage firm estimates. Analysts are pointing to weak productivity as the reason. On Monday, Indian equity benchmarks surged, driven by strong global cues and robust buying in banking shares. The Sensex climbed 0.49%, while the Nifty advanced 0.48%. Bank Nifty index rose for the fifth consecutive day, reaching the 56,000 mark, up to 3% on positive Q to reports from HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. Other key gainers included Max Healthcare, Shriram Finance, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise, Axis Bank, and Bajaj Finance, rising up to 5%. In brief, a positive outlook prevails for the Indian stock market, with analysts forecasting that the Nifty could reach 25,200 in the near future. Global markets are also showing positive trends, so stay tuned as we continue to track these developments for you. Until next time, happy investing.